Hello, everyone. I wanted to invite you to a program that I'm going to at the end of June this year, and I would love for you to come along with me. Let's all be sponges together and learn something. This is called Strings Without Boundaries. It is June 26th to the 29th, 2025. It's going to be held at the beautiful Williston Northampton School campus, which is in Massachusetts. The Williston Northampton School is really beautiful. It's very, very sweet. Nice, safe area. I think this is kind of what the building looks like that we were in last year. It's something like that, a beautiful brick building. And it's basically a buffet of all these different classes. You can come for one day, you can come for 2 days. You don't have to be an expert. I know nothing about this kind of music. I'm trying to learn, but no, so little, sadly. Doing musical things together is just a lot of fun. If you want to come for one day, you can. You can come for 2 days. You can come for the whole festival. The full program is $450. 2 days is $240. The weekend only is $170. One day registration is $125. And I'll be there on Friday. You can also stay there. You can stay in the dorm, but you have to bring bedding. But if you did want to, stay in the dorm, it's really, really affordable. You can even make a musical friend if you share a room. So it's just great. It's like a really welcoming, wonderful program. They have the adult program, but there's also a youth program, which is really lovely as well. If you're a little one or you have little ones and you want to do something together. Let's take a look at the day program. So, like I said, I will be there on Friday. So let's scroll down and take a look at the Friday program. So it's like a little buffet. 9 o'clock on June 27th. There's 3 different things that you could choose to go to. You could learn a New England tune. You could learn about improvisation. You could learn about blues. That's taught by my teacher, Julie. 10:15, learning by ear decoded. Singing and playing, how to solo over a fiddle tune. 11:30, singing and playing 101, Northeast Brazilian tunes, cadence-based improvisation. And then we would break for lunch and just all go somewhere. I think there was a really nice little bagel shop around the corner. We could just pop over there. And then reconvening 2 o'clock, learn a contra dance tune. That would be cool. Vocal harmonies, learn a Scandinavian tune. 3:15, learn a Scottish tune or bebop, 10 licks by Stuff Smith. Practice techniques for greater success. And then at 4:30, learn a bluegrass tune or improv, sing and play simultaneously. And that's it for the Friday. They may do an open mic. I see that they have that on Thursday. But, if there's nothing afterwards, we can just go get some dinner all together and just kind of play some music if we have any energy to play music afterwards. But Saturday, we also have a bunch of classes that you could take on Saturday. Sunday, there's some more classes. Oh, how to record strings. That's interesting. That would probably be helpful for me. But sadly, I won't be there. So once again, you can just register right here in the adult registration. Or you can, if you're a youth, you can go look at the youth program. So let's look at the faculty. You might know some of the faculty already.